Boom, welcome back guys. So hi everyone, this is Clean Pips FX, as you can see on your back view of the screen. So welcome back. Kama wewe ni mgeni kwenye hii YouTube channel, usisahau kusubscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you're not new to this YouTube channel, please share the video, like, comment, and don't forget to recommend your friends to come and get some content, since profitability starts with knowledge. So Green Pips has offered you a free knowledge, just an access of your internet bundle to get the knowledge for you guys to be profitable traders. So karibuni tena katika YouTube channel yetu. So kama wewe ni mpya na you need to get new videos kila tunapopata, uwe the first viewer, subscribe to our YouTube channel, bonyeza alama ya kengele iliyopo pembeni yako. Enjoy the view of the Green Pips. Hatutoagi knowledge za ajabu, tunatoa knowledge content high quality. Go try this in your real account, thank me later. So getting back to the episode 3, katika episode yetu ya 3. So last time tuliishia katika kuangalia only one candlestick chart, so this time tutaangalia some of the meaning content. So last time tuliangalia bullish Ingwilify, so this time we move forward kwenda kuangalia another thing ambayo itakuwa very important to us. Nadhani nilionyesha Ingwilifying pattern on the real chart account. So getting on the third candlestick, hii ni doji. So when we're talking, doji is one of the most important Japanese pattern. When this candlestick forms, it tells us the market opens and close at the same price, which means that there is equality on the indecision between the buyers and the sellers. So doji inapotokea anywhere, so for example on an uptrend ikatokea juu on the support level, on the resistance level, inajulisha kuwa the buyers significant imekwisha, now the sellers take right of the market. So na vice versa is true. Doji inapotokea chini on the downtrend inajulisha kuwa sellers significant imeisha, so this time it's the bullish time. So as you can see hapa kuna mfano umetolewa vizuri. So this was a clean uptrend, kama unavyoona, lakini doji ilikuja kuchange market. So we use this as a confirmation. After your technical analysis, hizi candlestick tunazitumia as a confirmation. Usiangalie candlestick yoyote ukatrade. For example, unakuja kuangalia Green Pips, tumefundisha Ingwilifying and doji. So wherever you see Ingwilifying, you just put your entries. Wherever you see doji, you just put your entries. My guy, you'll end up on losses. We use these candlestick charts, candlestick patterns as a confirmation. For example, umeshafanya setup zako, umeshafanya technical analysis zako ambazo tutaenda kuzisoma mbele, different ways of doing technical analysis, then you wait for more confirmations on your pick. So una sehemu yako, for example hii ndio ilikuwa resistance yako, so immediate after the market had tapped your resistance, your confirmation is a doji candlestick chart, so you place your entries after the confirmation. Usiingie entry without a confirmation. Please guys, please trade with confirmations. Trade without any confirmation. Thank me later. So getting back on the chart, hiyo ndo doji. So ikioka on a uptrend, market ina change inakuwa a bearish trend. So na ikioka on a bearish trend, for example hiyo ikatokea doji, so we expect this market to go high. Okay, so that is a simple example I was giving. Getting on the another chart is the dragon doji pattern. Quite different from the doji, but they are all doji. Hii ina tofauti kidogo tu na doji, lakini zote ni doji. So dragonfly doji is a bullish candlestick pattern which is formed when the open, high and the close are on the same, but the price about the price. The characteristic of a dragon doji is long lower tail that shows the resistance buyers and they attempt to push the market up. So kama unavyoona anasema hii ni ya bullish. So as you can see there is equal between the open and the high, but ukiangalia hii inatujulisha kuwa there is high buyers than sellers, since hii market body ilifika maeneo mpaka ya hapo, lakini buyers wakapush hii market kuipeleka juu, so it stuck there. Popote utakapoiona hii dragonfly ni mostly utaiona on the bearish trend. So utakapoiona hii, take it as a confirmation to take your long positions. Kwa hii utakapoiona, just buy. It never happened on the uptrend, but it is highly happen on the downtrend. So just an example on the chart, as you can see, sometimes it occurs like this, a dragonfly doji. It occurs on a downtrend. As you can see, this is a clean downtrend. Hii ni downtrend mwelekeo wa chini. So ilivyo occur on the support level, it may act as a confirmation. As you can see here, there was a dragonfly doji, and here there was an ingulify. So after confirmation, you just take your entries of buying opportunities, take profit on the resistance. Tutakuja kusoma mbele how to do different ways of doing technique analysis on the chart, so as you can be a profitable trader. Please guys, nawakumbusha usitrade without a confirmation. So getting on the another candlestick chart, it's a dragon doji. Sorry, it's a gravestone doji. So a gravestone doji is the vice versa of a dragonfly doji. So this is a bearish vision of the dragonfly doji. It's formed when the open and the close are on the same or about the same price. So as you can see, example ya dragonfly doji ni vice versa as you can see, gravestone doji ni vice versa ya dragonfly. So on the dragonfly we had saw that the body ilikuwa iko juu, lakini hapa ni vice versa. Hii inatuonesha significant kuwa this body ilipanda until those areas, but sellers had a great move, had a great strong push kuipush market kwenda chini. So as you can see, hii inatuonesha it's a confirmation that there is high appearance of sellers on the chart. So guys, hii ina occur usually on the uptrend. So if you are finished kufanya setup technical analysis zako, or you wait on your resistance, ukaja ukakutana na hii confirmation, just take your shots without any fear, since this is a clean confirmation of the bearish move. So utakapoiona hiyo inakaa on a bullish trend ama uptrend, so you just take your shots. Also tukija kuangalia example hapa, as you can see hapa ilikuwa ni clean bullish trend. Hii ilikuwa ni uptrend nzuri, lakini baada ya kufika on the resistance level ama supply level, market ikashow confirmation ya gravestone doji. So this was a clean confirmation. So after confirmation is when you take your entries. Na wakumbusha tena guys, don't take your trades mpaka upate confirmations. Usifanye trade unless una confirmation. So guys, kwa hii episodes ningependa niishie hapa. So nawakumbusha, if you're new to this YouTube channel, usisahau kusubscribe guys. Bonyeza alama ya kengele ili uwe wa kwanza kuview video zetu every new week. Kila mwisho wa wiki tutakuwa tukidrop new videos going in series, kwa kuwa tunataka kudrop new content. Tunataka to provide a lot of profitable traders in free knowledge. So Green Pips ime offer free knowledge on YouTube. So guys, please take this as an advantage, na usisahau kushare videos. Pia kama hujatengeneza account bado ya kutrade live account, tumeprovide link below hapo. Tumia Deriv as your favorite broker, tengeneza account na link yetu hapo chini. Please tunaomba mfanye hivyo. Usisahau kupitia videos before you go on trading. This video provide high content, high knowledge, so you'll be getting high rewards, high profits. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad. So bye bye.